This is the 77 M880 from the first video. This is when I first acquired it pre-incident. I was just documenting the shape that it was in when I found it. Body-wise, it's pretty good. It's been sitting for a long time, hence all the lichen, lots of lichen. And I'm just taking these photos to show the shape that it's in as I acquired it. Now, this is not how-to videos or how to restore or anything like that. This is just me and my truck. It's what I'm doing, how I go about doing it. Just like when I fix the rocker panel. Now, this has been sitting for a long time, and this is my evidence. This piece of lichen is 2 inches by 1.25 inches, or 3/4, I mean. And from what I could find on the internet, this is approximately 20 years old. So I'm going to say the truck's been sitting for 20 years. I know 7 that when I saw it until it became mine. And I waited a long time, and it's well worth the effort. This is a good old truck. Just needs a little bit more love. Someone was loving on it at one point in time, and it's just retro cool. I'm taking these photos because to document the filth and stuff and my artistic vision, so to speak. I just thought it was neat that it's been sitting for so long with all this stuff growing on it, and just I have proof of its before and after during my transformation of it. Now this is just again more filth, stuff that's in there, but all in all, it's really not that bad. It's a solid foundation and it's ready to be put back to work. And again, it's a great foundation for it. It's going to be a good truck. Now here, again, just more crud, um, dead spiders, just the filth that's in it, and it's really not that bad, all in all. I know I said it before, but it's really not that bad. I got a great truck here. It's been loved on before. You can see there's some pieces in there, and it's going to be a good old truck again. I really can't wait to drive it, but I want it to be reliable while I'm driving it. It's an old car, and old cars have issues. This is, again, before, when it's all perfect. Right there, the rocker panel, the door, re-injury, and here it is after. Um, I think I did a pretty good job, especially for not knowing what I'm doing. It's not perfect by any means, but the truck will be painted at one point. But I can say I did that, and I'm pretty happy with it. Triage Garage.